In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Notion, a simple yet effective way to visually enhance your pages and projects. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to add a bit of flair to your workspace, adding icons is a quick and easy process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a powerful tool for creating wikis, organizing documents, and managing projects. Once you're on the Notion website, you'll need to log in. Click on the Login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email and password, or other login credentials, and proceed to log into your account. After logging in, it will take you to the Notion home. This is your personal dashboard where you manage all your pages, projects, and workspaces. Here, you'll have access to all your existing content and the ability to create new ones. From the Notion home, locate the page to which you want to add an icon. If you haven't created a page yet, now's the time to do so. Simply create a new page, using the New Page option, and give it a suitable name. Once you've selected or created the page you want to enhance, click on it to open it. In the upper left corner of your page, you'll notice an area or button labeled Add Icon. Click on this, and Notion will offer you a variety of default icons to choose from. However, if you're looking for something more unique or personal, you can also upload a custom icon or even add a link to an external image. This is a great way to personalize your workspace, allowing you to showcase your creativity and match the icon to the theme or purpose of your page. Selecting the right icon can make your page more navigable and visually appealing. Once your icon is added, it will appear at the top of your page. This small visual change can help you and others instantly recognize the page's content or function, making your Notion workspace more intuitive. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to customize your Notion pages with icons. Remember, the icons you choose can greatly impact the look and feel of your workspace. So take the time to find the ones that suit your style and needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it adds a touch of creativity to your Notion setup. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!